Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. In this video, I'm going to share a very simple mutton curry recipe. It is so simple that even a beginner or a bachelor can make it. And I'm sure this recipe is going to become one of your go-to recipe every time you want to make mutton curry. This mutton curry goes very well with chapatis and with basmati rice. So without any further ado, let's get going and see how to make our mutton curry, which is so flavorful, spicy and a perfect comfort food. So we'll be making this mutton curry in a pressure cooker. So go ahead and add in 2 tablespoons of oil into a pressure cooker and then add in about 2 or 3 bay leaves and 2 1-inch cinnamon stick. Then add in 1 large thinly sliced onion, and saute it for some time. Then add in 1 tablespoon of salt, then goes 1 kg of mutton, saute this as well. Then add in about 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric, and then goes water. I generally add water until it immerses the mutton because the mutton over here cooks very easily. Then cover the lid of the cooker. Now we shall prepare the masala, for which take a blender and into it add about 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds, and then add about 5 to 6 cloves and 2 cardamom and a handful of fresh coriander, and then half a cup thinly sliced coconut and 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. I also added 2 teaspoons of chili powder. I don't know how I missed it here. And then add water accordingly and grind it into a fine paste. After you have ground it, add 2 tomatoes and then again grind it into a fine paste. So this is how it would look like. Now into a pan add in about a teaspoon of oil and add in all the ground masala into the pan. Saute it and let the masala fry or cook until it leaves the sides and oozes out oil. Now in the meanwhile, let's check if the mutton is cooked. Yes, it's cooked perfectly. Let's cover it and reserve for later use. The masala has also got cooked well. It's left the sides of the vessel. It's the time to add in some water and adjust the consistency accordingly. This water wouldn't be sufficient. We'll go ahead and add in the water which we used for cooking the mutton, a little by little until we get the right consistency. And once we get the right consistency, We'll go ahead and start transferring all the mutton from the pressure cooker into the pan. Give it a good stir and let it boil for some time. And for the final step, adding in some fresh coriander. So friends, do give this recipe a try. I'm sure it's going to be a hit amongst your family. And if you did enjoy watching this video of mine, do give me a thumbs up. And in case you're new to my channel, please do not leave my channel without subscribing to it. Hit on the subscribe button and the bell icon beside it so as to stay updated of all the new videos which I post onto it. So until I see you all the next time, eat healthy, eat clean, and most importantly, eat homemade. Take care. Bye-bye.